Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use jump drives in Space Engineers. Jump drives are essential for long-distance travel, allowing your large grid vessel to instantly teleport across vast distances. They bypass traditional propulsion, making them ideal for covering thousands of kilometers quickly. Mastering their use is key for efficient exploration and safe transport of your valuable ships and cargo. Building a jump drive requires careful planning. It's a large grid block, 2 by 3 by 3 blocks in size, so ensure you have ample space. Construction also demands specific resources, notably gold for gravity generator components and superconductor conduits. Powering it is critical. Each jump consumes 3 megawatt-hours of stored energy, and due to 80% charging efficiency, it actually requires 3.75 megawatt-hours to fully charge. The maximum charge rate is 32 megawatts, typically taking around 7 minutes. To activate a jump, first ensure you are seated in your main cockpit. Open the jump drive's control panel. Here, you can either select a pre-saved GPS coordinate or beacon, or perform a blind jump by specifying a distance. A single drive can propel you up to 2,000 kilometers, with additional drives extending this. Remember, ships exceeding 1,250,000 kilograms will experience a reduced jump range. Once confirmed, a 10-second countdown will begin before your instantaneous travel. For optimal jump drive use, always confirm your drive is fully charged and your ship has ample power. Crucially, scan your intended jump path for any obstacles. Jumping into a planet or asteroid will lead to instant destruction. Be mindful of the 15-minute cooldown after each jump, though shorter jumps can reduce this to 5 minutes. For extended range or quicker successive jumps, consider integrating multiple jump drives into your vessel, allowing you to cycle them for efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.